Good morning, my name is Erika Ariza. Esta es la presentación del curso de inglés 2, presentado al profesor Luis Gabriel Díaz. Present perfect. By the birds experience love so far. By travel in family. This trip was an award that I won in my work, which included enlistment and a whole ballot right for my family and me. In November 2013, I traveled with my family to Tocaima, Cundinamarca. Experience. This was a very rewarding experience as I was able to share my award with my family, my husband, and my two children. Being present at the enlistment and the process of assembling and being issued, the balloon was very wonderful. After balloon is ready, flying over the Tocaima municipality and seeing the landscape for this height is a very beautiful experience. Finally, the company Globus Colombia gave us a diploma for having flown with them. For my family and for me, this balloon flying is one of the best share and light experience. Thank you.